In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Microsoft Word Paint. If you have text inside a picture that was created using Microsoft Paint and you want to make changes to it in Microsoft Word, there is an important limitation to understand. Text that has already been saved as part of an image is no longer editable as regular Word text. However, you can use Microsoft Word to replace the existing text by covering it and adding new text on top. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document containing the Paint image with the text you want to change. Click on the picture to select it. You can use the picture format options to adjust the picture's position and size if necessary. Next, you'll need to cover the existing text that you want to replace. Go to the Insert tab and select Shapes. Choose a rectangle shape and draw it over the text you want to remove. After inserting the rectangle, use the Shape Format options to adjust its appearance. Choose Shape Fill and select a color that matches the background behind the original text. If the background is plain, matching the fill color should make the original text appear covered. Next, remove the outline from the rectangle. Go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. This helps the rectangle blend into the background of the image. Now that the original text is covered, you can add your replacement text. Go to the Insert tab and select Text Box. Insert a text box over the area where the original text was located. Click inside the text box and type the new text you want to use. Select the new text and use the Home tab to adjust the font, font size, font color, alignment, and other formatting options. Try to make the new text match the style of the original text as closely as possible. You can also resize and reposition the text box so that the replacement text lines up correctly with the rest of the image. If the text box has a visible background or border, use the Shape Format options to remove them. Set the Shape Fill to No Fill and the Shape Outline to No Outline so that only the new text remains visible. Continue adjusting the text until the replacement looks natural within the image. Keep in mind that this method does not actually edit the original text inside the Paint image. Instead, it covers the old text and places new editable Word text over it. Once you're satisfied with the result, review the entire image and make sure the replacement text is aligned properly and that the covered area is not noticeable. And that's how you can edit text from a Microsoft Paint image in Microsoft Word. By covering the original text and adding a new text box, you can replace the visible text while keeping the rest of the image unchanged. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,